Have you ever dreamt about running your own business, but don't know how to get started? Look no further than the Sheffield Chamber of Commerce Business and Enterprise Employer Skills Academy. The Academy offers you the opportunity to achieve your full entrepreneurial potential through industry talks, interactive workshops, live Q&As and professional masterclasses with business moguls from across South Yorkshire and beyond. The Academy is open to all students at the Sheffield College and is a brilliant way to develop your skills and knowledge, helping you to go further in your career. You will see sessions such as resilience, building confidence, mindset, goal setting, and more. To register your interest as an Academy member and to book onto any of our upcoming workshops, visit shefcol.ac.uk/academy/the-Sheffield-Chamber-of-Commerce.